Hi there, this is your teacher, Barbara Rademacher. I'm pulling my chair into the screen right now, and then I'm going to talk about this problem. It's a problem in the how-to first homework set that a lot of students have had questions about, so I thought I'd go over it. You do not need to know what some of the topics are, like vertical stretch. At this point in the class, because this is at the very first part of the semester, you do not need to know what that is. You don't need to know what horizontal stretch is, vertical shift, horizontal shift, or reflection over the x-axis. What you do need to know is how to follow directions, and that's what this is about. Now, I am going to read this to you and then I'm going to do it. So this should not take a lot of time. Here we go. Some questions make use of the interactive graphing tool to draw a basic graph and then use interactions to edit special graph values. Those are numbers in order to complete the graph. Now it shows a blue book here, and then it says click the icon to view instructions for the interactive graphing tool. You can do this. All you do is click it, and there you see instructions. You can read all the way down. Sometimes some instructions are longer than others, but you can choose to print them if you want to, or you can just say done. Now, use the X cubed tool. That's what this is, and you see it down there. I don't think it'll do anything up here. Use the X cubed tool to graph the X cubed function. Update the function to have a vertical stretch of 3, a horizontal stretch of 1, a vertical shift of 0, a horizontal shift of 5, and a reflection over the x-axis. You will cover this later. You won't cover it right now. But you can still do this, and you'll see how. Use the X cubed tool button right here on the graphing palette to place the function on the graph. Then update the vertical stretch, horizontal stretch, vertical shift, horizontal shift, and reflect over the x-axis to have the values noted. Okay, I'm going to click. This is your graphing palette. You can choose different kinds of graphs, different kinds of functions to graph. All of these are our icons, not the paint bucket, but all of these are icons that represent the graphs. Now, the one you're being asked to click on is this, the X cubed tool. Notice a little sign comes out beside it, a label that tells you it is indeed the X cubed tool. Click. Now, it says here, click the graph to plot your curve. I'm going to click right in the middle. This is the basic X cubed tool. X cubed graph right here. Now we're going to change it with this box down here, and I wish I could make it larger, but I can't. But on this box, we're going to fill in the information that you were offered before. We're going to fill in the vertical stretch of 3, the horizontal stretch of 1, a vertical shift of 0, a horizontal shift of 5, and a reflection over the x-axis. So here we go. A vertical stretch of 3. I click beside the 1 and backspace, and then click 3. A horizontal stretch of 1. There's a 1 already there. That's the default. A vertical shift of 0. The vertical shift tool is right here. And this is a slider that goes to different numbers. We're being asked to put it to 0. A horizontal shift, going to move it down, of 5. A horizontal shift of 5. And it said positive 5, not negative 5. So I'm going to go to 5. And notice the label above it tells me I'm at 5. Then I'm going to go to reflect over the x-axis. And I'm going to click right here. Reflect over the y-axis was not mentioned, so I'm not going to pay attention to it. I'm not going to do anything to it. Now, I believe that I'm done, and this is the way the graph will look now. So I click Save, and then I click Check Answer. Good job! That means I did it right. And we're done. Have a good day.